Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Here is an exciting off-campus internship opportunity from Google. Google has announced off-campus hiring for the role of Software Engineering PhD Intern for summer 2026. This is a full-time internship opportunity. The job locations include Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Pune. Candidates who are currently pursuing a PhD program with a focus on software development or related technical fields are eligible to apply. This role is suitable for entry-level candidates who are looking to gain real-world industry experience. Let us understand the role. As a software engineering intern at Google, you will work on real projects that are critical to Google's products and services. You will design, test, deploy, and maintain scalable software solutions. You will collaborate with engineers, managers, and cross-functional teams to solve complex technical challenges. You will also apply your computer science knowledge to real-world problems and contribute to large-scale systems used by millions of users. To be eligible, candidates should have experience in programming languages such as Java, C, C++, Python, JavaScript, or Go. Good knowledge of data structures, algorithms, software design, and experience working in Linux or Unix environments is required. This is a great opportunity to gain hands-on experience at one of the world's leading technology companies. Interested candidates should apply as soon as possible through the official Google Careers website. For daily off-campus job updates, internship alerts, and placement news, like this video, subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you and all the best.